What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a small update before we begin with the craft, and that are two things. First of all, we've changed the channel layout and the channel name from Mark's Universe to Maluc Creates. This channel is now dedicated to only crafting stuff, mostly with cardboard. We've changed up the studio as well. Well, not really a studio, it's my bedroom. That's why there's a bed there. Today we're actually going to make something that you have asked for as well, and it has something to do with this. And that's a diamond helmet. Some of you asked, where is the helmet? I didn't make one. I kind of forgot about that, but that's just what we're going to make. So what kind of tools or materials do we need to make this craft? First of all, I got some cardboard. Believe it or not, but this is the same cardboard where I made the whole armor from. I kept it for more than a year now. We also need some kind of template, which I have. We're also gonna need some cyan paint, some white paint, and also some black paint. And of course some paintbrushes. And then the first thing we are going to do is get these in two pieces because it's all folded. This was the first one I had. And now it's like 4 times the size, which is pretty cool because now I can actually use it properly. Cut it halfway. And then just get rid of that. This looks good enough to me, so let's just start with the front of the helmet. The squares on the big armor are all like 4 centimeters wide, like a square, but that's actually too big for the helmet, so we're gonna halve that and use 2 centimeters for each square. Then we have everything all sized up, and then we're just gonna make a beautiful little grid out of that. So we have our full grid, 20 wide and 8 deep or long, but I almost forgot to add the folding strips where you can use the glue on. So we're gonna make some more. We're gonna make it even wider. So we're actually gonna use like 4 centimeters on each side, which adds 8. I'm not sure about the size yet, so I just made it a little bit more wide, like an extra 2 bars. So we could actually try it out before we cut everything. So in order to fold it, we're gonna just slightly cut the cardboard and then kind of break it like that, so we can fold it like this. I think that should be big enough. Now just make the size right and cut out the eye pods. We got the front part. Now we're just gonna make 2 side pieces, a back piece, and also the top part. The top part should be the easiest. So I've cut out all the parts, and actually one of my lamps broke, so I need to order new lamps. Anyways, we're just gonna continue for now, and I've put together with, just to see how it looks so far. I did make the top part, but when I put it on top, you got a lot of holes everywhere. I'm just gonna glue side parts on, and we also have to get rid of the top parts that I was actually going to use to glue it all on. Okay, so we got all the parts for the glue. We're gonna put this on the side for now. First we're gonna glue the main helm and see how that all looks when it's stuck together, and I will get back to you with an update. Hello everyone, welcome back. We're on a new day. I changed up my setting a little bit because my lamp is broken. I also ordered a new one, so it should come in today. We have glued the first part together and now just the top part needs to get on. I've sized it up very well and I know how to paste it. So I'm just gonna put that on. Should be able to fold it right into place. Nearly complete. Okay, so we have to glue this all together and then we're gonna see if we have to do anything with the inside. Now we're just gonna wait until that's all dried up and then we're gonna fit it again and then we're all ready to paint the whole helmet. See you in a bit. So everything should be dry, so we're just gonna take these off. And there we have it. Oh, I just now noticed that the size isn't it isn't great, okay? I should have made it a little bit bigger. So that's how it looks now. Looks great. So once you get the whole helmet, it's time to paint the whole thing. And for the painting we need cyan paint, white paint and black paint. So let's get started. And there we have it. We have our whole helmet painted. Now it's just the inside, but that all isn't too special, so I'm just gonna paint it real quick for you and I'm gonna get back to you when I've done that. And it is done! And this is the result. And as you can see, it took us about 1.5 hours to paint this whole thing. So a record for myself to finish it, a whole build this fast. And one last thing that's also pretty cool to add is that I got a cool thing where I can put something on and then just spin it around. So that way you can really see the result from all sides. So I hope you liked the diamond helmet build. It took me a while to make, yeah, I know. Anyways, if you have anything else that I should build for you, let me know in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, like this video, and then I will see you in the next video. Bye.